Hi, my name is Megan Weidel, and today I will be taking you on a factory tour. I am coming from Shenzhen, China, an electronic city of the world. And lately I've seen a lot more people riding electronic scooters. I personally think they're really cool, but I have never had a chance to ride one. So today at the factory we will be going to, we will see how they are produced. So come on, let's not waste any time. Let's go. The factory we'll be going to today is located in Longhua district in Shenzhen, which is a little bit far from downtown. So we're going to need to call a car to take us to drive there. So this is the first time I've taken such a luxurious car before. This is very nice, and I think it was made in China, which is even cooler, and it came with free water. So there's that. So here we are at the factory gates. It took about 30 minutes to get here, but let's not waste any time. Let's go inside.
Hi.
Hi,
I'm Megan.
I'm Megan. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
This is Jason.
Jason.
Yeah. And our exhibition room is here. Our factory has been manufacturing this kind of products for many years. We have abundant experience.
Yeah, there's
these samples you can try.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, this one looks really tiny, so I think this
it's
one
very
looks
small
good.
and
Yeah.
proper. You can have a try.
Ooh, can I?
And the height can be
Yeah.
adjusted.
Oh, can it? Oh, that's good, because for short people like me, I can't ride your height.
Yes, different people are different.
Ooh, this is fun. Is it electronic?
Yes.
Oh, what?
There's a power button here.
Oh, wow. And so does that just make it easier to move so that you
Yes,
don't
very
have
easy.
to?
This is the accelerator, this is the brake.
Wow, that's
and,
awesome.
There's also a rear brake.
Okay.
Actually, it's very easy to handle it.
How do you fold it? Like, how do you take it on a subway after you're done using it?
Yes, it's very easy. There's a folding system just here. Yes.
Oh.
It's foldable. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Can I try it? Can I hold
Yeah.
it? Oh, that's actually really light. This is really light.
Yes.
Like, you could genuinely take this into a subway. How do you know when the battery's running out?
There's indicators here.
Okay.
Yes, when the indicator turns to red, it means the battery runs out.
You need to charge
And
it.
you need to charge it.
How long does it take to charge?
It takes about 2 to 3 hours.
Oh, that's nothing. And then how long does it last?
Depends on the weight of the user and the load condition.
Okay.
Usually about 8 to 10 miles.
Really? Okay. Well,
Yeah.
that's enough to go to like a subway and back.
Yes, of course,
so-
no problem.
Oh, that's perfect.
This is the first product totally developed by ourselves.
Really?
Yes, we have our own R&D department.
So can you tell me about the sales for the scooters?
We sold about 100K, start from last December.
So in 4 months, you sold 100,000.
IQC loan and all the components will be tested here.
In this room?
Yes.
Okay, so we're at the IQC room where all of the components are tested for each scooter after they've been manufactured. So each scooter has a battery pack underneath the scooter itself with 7 different cells, and those have to be tested for its safety. So let's go inside.
And that is the battery pack test.
Oh, okay. So as you can see, they will test every single one of the individual parts before it gets put into the final product. So what's next?
We'll go to the workshop.
Awesome, thank you. Come this way. So how many factories are there for the producing?
3 workshops.
3 workshops.
Yes.
Which one is for the one that I used earlier?
This workshop is for the S1 producing.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Thanks. How many scooters can you produce in one day in this one?
It's about 600 to 700.
600 to 700. That's
Yes.
so many. I can see that the factory isn't very big, but they are complete with full certifications, many certifications. But 2 of them are UL and CE, one of them from Europe and one of them is from America. So very high standards for UL. So should we go in and take a look? see there's a test area over there. I would like to check that out as well.
Okay.
So I can see that we're in the testing department right now, but there are 14 different steps to test the scooters. And I think the two most impressive are the ones that he is going to show us over here. The acceleration speed when going uphill, and also the speed of the brakes and the safety of the brakes when going downhill. They do test the speed bumps in the road, such as this one. So it goes up and down to make sure that it would not brake on a normal street. So I think this is very impressive, and they make sure that the scooters that you get will be safe. What is that? Oh my god.
That is the age test. It's smearing test for the battery.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Thank you so much for showing me the testing process. That was really awesome.
And after testing, after all the sample, all the products tested, the goods will be packed at this area.
Packaging. Okay,
Yes.
let's go. So after the testing process is done, each individual scooter, one by one, will be placed into boxes and sent to an American warehouse. Very awesome. Thank you so much. Jason, it was so nice to meet you today.
Me too.
Oh, I hope to see you around in Shenzhen.
Yes, I hope so.
Thank you so much.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
So I just finished the factory tour, and I really hope you enjoy it as much as I did. So I am Megan Weidel with the Chinese Factory Tour, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you like what you see, stay tuned for more videos. Okay, thank you.